camera action, another day interaction, all being bashed and whacked to rack up YouTuber reactions. Apparently it's the fashion to be lacking in compassion, require a guy to balance and then fire at him with cannons. We will smile through the pain and climb up and start again, living someone else's game as we tumble to the ground, planting places in the basement for strangers entertainment. No one said when chasing fame that the direction would be same
by your side.
I don't know anymore.
I heard all your best friends walked out the door.
No one said when chasing fame that the direction would be carry your legacy. All we ever know is being on TV, and so we fall. Our only home is near BBC, and so we fall. Live down with chasing crowds we'll never see, and so we fall until the day we choose to ride to the mental, straddling stacks of tangled ragdolls, falling forwards on the trampled backs of comrades round our ankles. It's
They
a constant uphill
never
battle
believe you
against
when you
lots of
try
giant
to make
apples
your
with some unknown cable channel. We just pray the show gets cancelled.
So then why should I die?
And hoping it's the one that opens. We've no noses to be broken, but our standards feel the sting.
I can't deny my DNA ties. I'm asking them why.
From why the show gets cancelled. Makes us at the door you've chosen, hoping it's the one that opens. We've no noses to be broken, but our spins feel the sting. One more at the back end of the line, and our noses to be broken, but our spins feel the
I
sting.
take out
One
the
more
knife from your back,
at the
place it inside of my hand, and you see how this
All we've ever known is being on TV, and so we fall. Our only home is neon BBC, and so we fall. Never down with chasing crowds we'll never see, and so we fall until the day we choose to ride.
I'm losing my mind. I think this is right for me. It's my prophecy. It's my time. Just take it
Into the void, and so we fall. Never down, plug into the void, and so we fall. Dungeon hunters, monkey dungeon toys, so we fall until the day we choose to ride. All we ever known is being on TV, and so we fall. Our only home is neon BBC, and so we fall. Never down, we're chasing crowds.